Hey, what's up, party people? Just out for a ride today. It's after work and it is a beautiful day. My bike says it's 76 degrees out, but I know it is not that warm. It always lies. Hey, look, another biker. Little guy. It's a Grom. He's gromming it. So I wanted to show you something that I thought was really cool. Just kind of stumbled across this. There's this little place and they're doing something really innovative. God bless America. So there is these boxes right here. You can see they look like little Conex boxes, and they're real small. And what it turns out they are is those are mobile pop-up guard posts. So there is, you can open them up, and inside there is equipment that goes up through the top. So they have, you can have a mounted machine gun on there that, you know, you hit the button and it goes up through the top, or maybe it's just walls for infantry, and provides a secure spot for them, a secure firing position. So they're taking these overseas into forward fired bases, and boom, they can just drop those anywhere, and they have a secure little bunker to shoot from, or you know, to act as a guard post for a camp or something like that. So I thought that was super cool, and the guy had the idea, started building them, and I guess got picked up by the government, and so he's cranking those suckers out. So just goes to show you, you got a great idea, you can go ahead and make that and make a little money. All right, besides that, not a lot exciting going on. I am at 500 miles on the bike, and my first service is 600 miles. And I called one of the local shops last week and I said, hey, you know, I'm just about up to my break-in service. What kind of lead time do you need to get it in, and how long are you going to keep it? And he said, you know, we actually can do it same day, go through everything for you, do the oil change, check all the bolts, everything that needs to be done for your first service. Just give me a day advance notice so I know when I'm ready for you. And I thought, oh, that's awesome. Well, they're a little bit further away, so I called the shop that's in my hometown, and I knew something was up because I've had to call 3 different times and nobody's ever answered for service. They've paid service and then asked if they could take a message. Well, I don't know if they're that good or what the deal is, but when I finally got to talk to a guy, he said, yeah, right now we're booking appointments 1 month out, so 30 days out. And when we get the bike, even though it's just a checkout and oil change, we're going to keep it around a week. We're not sure. We'll let you know when it's been there. And I just, for something like this, for something that's, hey, check out the bike, make sure all the bolts are tight. This is a brand new bike, 600 miles. They should be able to get this done in a day. They should be able to schedule enough to know. I would prefer to take it to somebody who has their stuff a little more organized, a little more scheduled, and can get it done. Who knows, maybe the shop in my hometown is just so awesome that everybody is bringing their stuff there. But you would think if they're scheduling a month out right now, they need another mechanic. They need a couple more mechanics, to where you're not waiting a month to get your bike in, and then for an oil change and checking some bolts to make sure the bolts are tight, that's going to take a week? Really? Yeah, I don't think so. Not me, my friend. All right, so that's it on the bike front right now. I had some people ask me today about my mount for my phone. So most people have a mount that they put down here, and it puts your phone right here. And I elected to get this bar that goes across right here, and it mounts underneath the windscreen using the same bolts as the windscreen. It's got a hole there, and then this is just a RAM mount. And the RAM mounts, I really like them. Some people don't. It's got this X thing, so they spread out and grab the phone. Well, I have had it pop loose before, I'll admit it. But there's also these rubber bands that go around the back to hold it on, and I've never had it come off. I couldn't get it off there if I pulled on it if I wanted to. So, so why did I put it up there? Well, you know, because of my body position on this bike, this is not blocking my way by any far cry. In fact, this is really convenient. I could be looking where I need to go and then just glance down to see where I'm supposed to go next, and then I'm back up. I'm not looking clear down here, which takes my eyes off the road, and you know, that's just not a good thing to do. So I got this through a company called Adventure Tech, and if I knew somebody who was better at metalworking, I probably could have had them build me one for a lot cheaper, but it is what it is, and it works fine. So I have my phone set up there, and I usually keep Waze open, and the reason I like Waze is because you can report hazards. Hey, Pee-wee's open for ice cream. So you can report hazards, and I've seen a lot of times where people will report potholes on the road, which I really think is a great idea. I'm not worried so much about cops. It's not like I speed that much, so not worried about that. But Waze seems to do a good job, and I know where I'm going. I know how to get home from here. I take this route just about every day, but since I've gotten the bike, I like to mix things up. I like to go, hey, where's that road go? And I'll just kind of lead down it, and it gets me home, you know, 10 minutes later or whatever, but I have my GPS always pointing me towards home. So that's it for today. A little bit of info about the bike. Something cool I saw, the forward fire post, the portable fire guard post, my mount for my GPS, and the situation about getting my first service done on the bike. Alright, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Just sharing info with you about what's going on with my bike and things that I learn, and the lesson for today is call your local dealer and find out what kind of maintenance lead time they need. There it is. Like, subscribe, and ride safe. Woohoo!